Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Mifulan.com. So as you can see right here, if you don't know what this site is, it is basically a site that sells pants, unique pants like these. And as you can see, they're very intriguing. So basically, I'm just going to be frank. Right off the bat, this seems to be a scam site. Since there are a lot of scam sites like these, which have the same layout, which takes you to this big picture right here, with a shop now button right here or wherever it is. And as you can see, they didn't even try to design the site. They just put random pictures in and the prices. Basically, they just put in a template and then just plugged in the pictures. So as you can see, if we head on over here to Trustpilot, they're actually rated 1.2 out of 5 stars, which is bad, for 117 reviews. And let's see the reviews here. So I received the wrong items. Please don't buy from Mifulan. Absolute scam. What the hell? This so-called website, Mifulan, is a scam. Do not purchase from Mifulan, terrible, and basically it goes on. So please do not buy from this site. It is very obviously a scam. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.